Ilikuwa messy. It was very messy because first of all it happened COVID time. COVID time, what to like wako social media, like they are looking for something to entertain them. So now they go in, like they try and find like how did this happen? Alafu ilikuwa after the loss of our kid. So like yeah, so like sasa like it just went on and on. So ilikuwa it was so messy. Yani ile design ya hata ukienda anywhere unaona tu watu wanakuangalia like oh kaliachwa, oh ni kale. Yeah. So yeah, even to my parents, like they get comments like, oh, Mary Diliona mambo yake nini. So like I felt bad for them, like them being dragged in the whole thing. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because no one was dragged. You dragged yourself, eh?
I dragged people. So this, when ni kuachwa kisiangani ni ate? Umesema ni kuachwa.
Zio aliachana. Because that's another thing is ataka kunini apoleni na wauliza, but najua
it's rare.
It's okay, as you are fine with this.
What ufikaje your level? At what point do you realize it's irreconcilable? And I always say that I'm looking at this from a point of privilege, because I've never been kwa your point ile, like, because najua kiwa na hazi ya mawife
ni venye upre
mnaishi na yeye like kuna mkiwa na mtu mnaishi na yeye, how does hizi vitu happen aje, like mpaka inafika level sasa we can't come back from this? Because I know couples fight, yes,
Yeah.
but what happens and afu inachukua gala how long ile before you touch each other mpaka iko hapa hatutaiguzana tena
Like, oh yeah, wanna try? Well, I think it depends with the couples. For me, for my situation, ile point tulijua hapa, like, haiwezi ilikuwa when we did the separation. So after separation, we tried therapy, tukatry kubonga, manze, nothing. Haiko ina work. Tuko like, wacha tu tuende. But mi nilisaviwa divorce papers.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
So they do
when I was thinking we are working on it. Yeah.
check it, fuck it.
Lakini hiyo day nilitumiwa hizo paper, nilitumiwa kwa WhatsApp. So nikasoma niko like, okay. So, because me in my mind, like, tulikuwa tunafanya therapy, unacheki, so unafikiria, maybe, but we are separated at that time. So, ndio, kupata hizo documents niko like, oh, sawa. So, even ndio tunaenda, sawa, kaende. Like, that was my immediate, like, attitude. Mi sikuwa ati, sijui, we get parents, we get pastors to, mi nilikuwa like, I'm done. So sasa ndio later tukiongea niko like, bro, see, I thought history imedai. Like, imefika hiyo place ya irreconcilable. So like hata yeye ako amefika hapo by the time alikuwa ananitumia hizo paper.
Oh
yeah.
Damn.
So you can be sent to these things. But you know me, I'm not divorced yet officially.
Nimeshinda nikimwambia huyu you are still married.
Mmoja iko nje. So unaweza tueleza nini na WhatsApp?
Yeah, as long as your receipt, the receipt inasema red colors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Ama upate two ticks. Your lawyer apate 2 ticks. It's recognized like
so your
yourself.
lawyer sends the person.
The lawyer is the one sending you.
So let's say my lawyer sends the other person the document.
Yeah.
And document imeandikwa nini?
Imeandikwa, there's a petitioner and there's a respondent. The petitioner is the one asking the court for the divorce, and the respondent is the one being served.
Okay. So you respondent number 1.
Mimi nilikuwa respondent.
Can you imagine? When you respond?
Yeah. But yetu ilikuwa messy pia kwa sababu kulikuwa na tulifanya ingi